So here's how we can erase a background in a photo on the iPhone. So there are some things which you can use straight out of the box, let's say, without downloading any apps. Like you can open up your Photos app like this. And if there is a clear subject on that photo, what you can do is to hold down on it and it should make a selection like that, right? So you can see that the selection just gets like highlighted and you can copy and paste it into some other apps. For example, you can paste it into the messages and send it to someone, or into your notes, or share it right away, turn it into a sticker. And it's a nice feature, but this is essentially all that you really can do with it. If you need a little bit more, what you need is some sort of third-party app. So you can, for example, explore them, of course, on the App Store, but there is one which I like to use, which is called BG Cut. This is like the name of the app. And essentially using such application, you can as well just import your photos there, use the select tool and just remove it, right? Usually most apps work fine for it. The tricky part is to figuring out which has like the best subscription model, because most of them have or ask you to pay for the premium features. And yeah, it's kind of hard to do it without any subscription. So this is kind of, the area that you have to work with, but usually these kind of apps just work fine. So just pick one and see what it allows you to do. Now, that's going to be about it from me. I honestly hope that I can help you with it. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll catch you later.